You said hello. They said hello back. And then, silence. Long, heavy, uncomfortable silence. You want to say something, anything, but your mind is completely empty, and the quiet just grows and grows. Never again. After today's lesson, you will never fear that silence. You'll know how to start a conversation, how to keep it going, and how to end it, like a friendly, natural English speaker. Hello, and welcome back to Lessons. This is day 15 of our 30-day English practice challenge, and that means you are halfway there. 15 days done. Today, we learn the secret of small talk. Remember how this works. I say every phrase, and after it there is a pause. That pause is for you. Say the phrase out loud. Ready? Let's begin. Part 1. Breaking the silence. So, how do you start? Easy. You talk about something you can both see. The safest topic in the world is the weather. Nice weather today, isn't it? Repeat after me. Nice weather today, isn't it? That little ending, isn't it, is magic. It gently asks the other person to answer. You can also just say what you feel. It's so hot today. Repeat after me. It's so hot today. It's so hot. It's so cold. It's so busy. Say what everyone is already thinking. And you can talk about where you are. This place is really nice. Repeat after me. This place is really nice. Part 2. Easy questions to keep it going. A conversation is like a ball. You hit it, they hit it back. To keep it going, ask an easy question. Here's a great one. How was your weekend? Repeat after me. How was your weekend? People love to talk about their weekend. Another easy, friendly question. What do you do? Repeat after me. What do you do? What do you do means what is your job? It's one of the most common questions in English. And when you're somewhere new, have you been here before? Repeat after me. Have you been here before? Part 3. The secret. React and show interest. This is the most important part of the whole lesson. Listen carefully. Small talk is not about big words. It's about showing that you are listening. When someone speaks, react. Use small, warm words. That sounds great. Repeat after me. That sounds great. That sounds great. That sounds fun. That sounds difficult. And the friendliest little phrase of all, when you feel the same. Me too. I love coffee. Me too. I'm tired. Me too. Two little words that build a friendship in 1 second. These reactions are the secret. Use them, and people will love talking to you. Part 4. Talk about yourself, then bounce it back. Small talk goes 2 ways. So share one small thing about you, and then, this is the trick, send the question straight back. I'm learning English. How about you? Repeat after me. I'm learning English. How about you? Did you hear the ending? How about you? You give a little, then you ask. There's an even shorter version. What about you? I love this city. What about you? I had a great weekend. What about you? Then bounce it back. Now the conversation never stops. Part 5. Ending the conversation. Every conversation ends, and that's okay. But don't just walk away in silence. End it warmly. First, say the truth kindly. It was nice talking to you. Repeat after me. It was nice talking to you. Then, give a small, polite reason to go. I have to go now. Repeat after me. I have to go now. I have to go now. No long explanation needed. And finally, a friendly goodbye. See you around. Repeat after me. See you around. See you around means maybe we'll meet again. Warm, easy, perfect ending. Wonderful. You just had a whole conversation in English, and you beat the silence. Here is your challenge for today. In the comments, start a small talk with me. Say something about the weather where you live, and then ask me a question. For example, it's raining here in Brazil. How about you? I read the comments, and I will reply to you. Let's have some small talk. Day 15. Complete. Halfway through the challenge. That is a huge achievement. I'm so proud of you. Keep going. If this lesson helped you, press the like button and subscribe for day 16. See you tomorrow. Bye-bye.